Hi, welcome to the Market View for Tuesday, the 29th of July 2014. And starting off with the 30-minute chart, we can see that prices moved higher for most of yesterday until late afternoon. Then prices reversed and moved back to where they originally started. No surprise here, as I mentioned yesterday, that the daily chart shows so many down days that we could expect some sort of support in the market. However, this was short-lived, and yesterday's trading range was 10 pips less than Friday's, with just a 28 pip trading range from the low to the high yesterday. So another very quiet day. Three signals, none of which were filled, and I would rather that's the case than actually be filled and have a losing trade, as the markets are so quiet at the moment. So another quiet day, and again, nothing that we can do to actually change this. We just have to be patient and wait for it. In the daily chart, you can see that the market is stuck at the 169.70 area there, and just trading sideways with these very narrow price bars. So is there any news that could actually excite the market today? Let's have a look. We've got net lending to individuals. This is a medium impact news item from the UK at 9:30, and then nothing until 3 p.m. this afternoon from the USCB consumer confidence, and really that's about it. So it's a case of again waiting to see if the news will actually move the markets or something will happen in between. So again, very, very quiet. In the Dow Jones, the market finding support yesterday, moving back up, as we can see from the green price bar here. Initially, the market moved lower by about 30-40 pips, and then turned around and moved back up. And this was a decent day yesterday, trading at the Dow. Just to give you a quick update on this, I've got over a month's worth of trading now, showing very good profits and excellent trades. I'm still compiling all of the data and everything else, and also being audited at the moment. So once this is all completed, then I will let you have further information. But at the moment, it's all still a work in progress, but nonetheless very encouraging, and daily profits to be had, certainly for the last month when the markets have even been quiet as well. So that's good news. So just hang in there as far as that's concerned. It's like all of these things, they always take longer than you would hope for, but that it'll be worth waiting for. But just getting back to this and looking at the low of this bar, if you wanted to see why the market traded to this area, if you get the fib and go from the low to the recent high, you can see the market trading down to the 76% there, finding support, reversing, and then moving back to the upside there. So a decent day in the Dow. Let's just have a quick look at the implied volatility, see what this did yesterday. And the Dow yesterday moving higher on the implied. This was probably due in part to the initial sort of sharp drop to the downside before the market found support at that 76% and then reversed and moved higher. So 998, 701, and again this is reflected in the price chart. You can see this starting to move higher. So we're off these lows of 790, which was on the 3rd of July, and the market starting to come back a bit, which is slightly odd really, given that the market is fairly quiet. But I suppose Friday's down day has got to be taken into account. And just to go back to that Dow chart, there was something I meant to bring to your attention as well. On the down day, notice it's not a coloured bar, it's not a red bar, and that's because, look at the volume, absolutely nothing. So the prices were just marked down, there was no selling. But enough on a price basis, not volume basis, but price basis, just to create an increase in the implied volatility there. Right, well, that's it for this morning. All things being equal, see you in tomorrow's Market View. Have a great day, and as ever, thank you for your support, and also for taking the time to watch this. Thank you.